keeping my code hand strong.
Hello, welcome to Keeping My Code Hand Strong, where today we'll be going over how to toggle your Google AdSense ads across multiple viewport breakpoints with the help of Bootstrap's hidden helper class. We're not really going to go over the basics of Bootstrap today, as I do plan on doing a set of videos about the basics in the future, but today we're just going to go ahead and get into this topic real quick as it is fresh on my mind. So what I mean about the viewport breakpoints is a lot of the times on people's sites I'll see their Google ads and it looks great in the medium and the large viewpoints, but as soon as you get onto like a tablet or a phone view, like a mobile view, it kind of really gets out of proportion. And like something like if we were, oh actually this is the wrong one here, so let's go to the one where it has that problem that I see commonly. So often I'll see, a good set of aggressive ads like this at the top here, and it looks good at the medium and it looks good at the large here, but as soon as you get to the tablet view and the mobile view, it really kind of throws your page out of proportion. So you've got this 728 width and your viewport for your phone is only 320, and a lot of times the smallest. It does get bigger than that, but the smallest one you're going to have is 320. So with that, it kind of really throws your page out of skew. So it does look great in the large view and the medium view, so like the laptop and the desktop views look great, but how do we get that to, without losing our ad space, our real estate for our ads, how do we get that to look good in each window? The way I've came up with solving the problem is just by using Twitter Bootstrap's hidden class, and the solution I've come up with is basically give each class its own ad, each viewport its own ad. So the mobile view gets its own ad, the small tablet view gets its own ad here, the laptop view gets its own ad here, as well as the desktop gets its own ad. So kind of as you switch devices, what ad is being shown changes as well. So it kind of keeps the proportion and the style of your page looking good without having to give up that real estate for your ads or whatever. So the way I've gone about achieving this is, I'll go ahead and show you without what it looks like without the Bootstrap class here. So we'll go ahead and go to, I think it's 2 here. So basically I've just, without the classes, it looks like you've just stacked them on top of each other. So for the large view, we put a div and we put our large view, so we want our 336 by 280 ads. And then in the next div, we want our medium view for the laptops, anything under 992 pixels to 768 pixels. So we put, this one looks good on that view, the 728 by 90. And then for the small tablets, and this is just examples, and these are just dummy PNG files of the most Google Ads recommended, I guess the ones that make you the most money. So I just did the 4 most recommended ones. And then the extra small one here is the 320. As I said, 320 is often the smallest viewport you're going to see. So the 320 will cover the whole viewport of a small mobile device. So without the classes installed, it's basically you're just stacking the divs on top of each other. And what the hidden class does is it will go ahead and, if we're on a large view, we'll tell each of these other views, the medium, the small, and the extra small view, we'll tell them to be hidden. And I'll go ahead and show you the code here and how we've actually implemented that. So here's our row with all of those, excuse me, this is the wrong one here. So let's go and open the original one. So here's our row with all of those divs stacked on top of each other, and we've just got the large div with the 3 in it right here. We've got the medium div with the 728. We've got, and what we do is in the class here, we just call out what's making it is the hidden class, and we do that by, and I'll show you Bootstrap, and I'll leave a link to this in the show notes here. Getbootstrap.com is where this is coming from. Here they show a pretty good way. So basically, with your hidden class, if you show the hidden tag XS class, what it's going to be is when the device is viewing it is extra small, meaning mobile, it'll be hidden. Whatever's in that div with the hidden tag XS class will be hidden. What small devices will be able to see it, medium devices will be able to see it, and large devices will be able to see it, and so on. Same thing with the hidden tag small. If you're viewing it on an extra small mobile device, you'll be able to see it. If you're on a small tablet, it will be hidden to you. If you're on a medium, like a laptop, it will be visible, as well as a large. So basically, we're stacking our divs here and then giving them the hidden class. So we're on this one here, we're hiding it from the medium view, from the small view, and from the extra small view. Same thing goes for the medium. We want to hide it when the medium view is viewing it, when the device that's viewing this page is on medium, has a medium viewport. We want to hide the large view, the small view, and the extra small view. And in the code, how we're doing that is just in the class, we're giving it those classes. So for the top one, we want to hide the extra small, we want to hide the small, and we want to hide the medium, thereby only leaving this div open to be viewed on a large viewport device, and so on and so forth with the rest of these. So that's just a quick and dirty way I found to make the best use of my space while keeping my page looking nice and not really sacrificing the look of the page to get that extra ad in. So this way you still keep that ad real estate and actually get more ads in the long run, because you're showing more ads. It's just per device. So it helped me. It's a technique that I've used, and it helps me a lot. So I'll go ahead and put this up on GitHub so you can get the little demo HTML page, so you can go ahead and use it yourself and check it out. But that's basically all it does. Is it goes whatever device you're looking on, it basically gives you a specific catered ad for that device. So the ads that you have, you can kind of make your ads look best on each device, which gives you really a lot of control over it. You can kind of get a lot better placement and stuff, and really try to get that page RPM up and everything. So hope that helped. If you like, please subscribe, and until next time, I'll be keeping my code hand strong.